it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are tuning in from the beautiful city of Locarno here in south of Switzerland, and right behind me is the pizzeria. We are waiting for our pizza we ordered, and meanwhile I wanted to make the intro and start the vlog. Today's vlog is all about Italian vibes in Switzerland. I will take you around Locarno, then we are heading to one beautiful church with amazing architecture, then to one really cute small village in the mountains, and afterwards we'll end the vlog in Lugano at the lake. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Ta-da! And the pizza is ready! Pizza di mare? Di mare? I'm not sure. But it looks so delicious and yummy, and the flies are coming. But yeah, super happy with the pizza.
Just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
You.
And we arrived at the second location for today, and it is this amazing church behind me, which is built from a Swiss architecture in 1996. We are really high up in the mountains in the Ticino region, south of Switzerland, and we are really high up in the mountains, surrounded by beautiful scenery. The houses here are, you can have a look behind me, the houses are made of stone and wood. The church is called San Giovanni Battista. Let's go. This is inside the church. It's beautiful, beautiful and really impressive architecture. You can see behind me the altar, the details. It's really worth it to come here. And also we took a couple of pictures. I will include it here on the screen so you can check them out. Also on the pictures, I thought it was much more bigger. In reality, it isn't that huge, but still really, really impressive. Hi guys, we are at our last stop right now. We are above Lake Lugano in the beautiful village of, I'll tell you the name right now because I'm not sure, Vico Morcote, and Lugano is just right there. The nature is also really, really nice. You have these beautiful trees all around, flowers. The birds are singing. We will take around the village, and hopefully we find a nice place to eat pizza or ice cream. Let's see. But yeah, come and let's have a look. pizza place nearby. We ordered again frutta di mare and we are about to eat this beauty. I head home to Zurich. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova for more pictures and videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!